Hello, hi. Today we are looking at a brand new 2019 Toyota Avalon, and we're gonna connect our Bluetooth here. It's a very nice sleek screen here, so it's a very easy process that we're gonna do. So first of all, there's two ways that you can pair up your phone on the 2019 Avalons. It's similar to the 2018s. So there's a couple ways that you can do it. The first one is you can always go to the menu button. Select the menu button. You can go to Setup, go to the Bluetooth, and it's gonna say there's no Bluetooth registered yet, and would you like to add one now? Select yes. At this time, make sure that your phone is also in the Discover mode on your phone so that it'll be able to pick up the Bluetooth also. So right now it shows that my phone is picked up. All I have to do on my phone, I select the Toyota Avalon, click on that, hit allow to allow all your favorites and your contacts to be downloaded, so they'll be all synced into your car here. There you go, we're all connected now. So now you're ready, your phone's paired up for you to use on the phone, Bluetooth.